We sometimes find ourselves in a situation where we need to display multiple outputs, or we need to demonstrate to a customer the certain selected outputs which they require. For this, we click on Settings at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. We then click on the System window. You'll see we're in Basic Settings, and by default General Settings. From there, we'll be able to adjust our output resolution by clicking on the drop-down menu. Depending on the NVR or the recorder being used, there are various display outputs ranging up to 4K output resolution. But for our system, it's currently set up to output 1080p, also known as Full HD resolution. If we click on Output Settings, then on the plus icon, we can also customize different displays. After we select our display setup, we can drag our cameras across from the Camera tab on the right, and drop them on a window to create custom displays, with multiple cameras. Once we've done that, and we've completed our settings to the desired view, we will then proceed to our live video by clicking on the Apply button, and then the Exit button. And in our live video, we would then go to our Auto Rotate, select our desired view time, and press play. That will give us the ability to have those cameras in various output formats and the ability to switch between each other in that display mode. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay updated for more content.